Welcome, and my name is EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and today I'll show you how to hard reset your device through recovery mode. Now, this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know. As you will see, I do have a pattern set, and I'm gonna progress from here as though I don't actually know it. So let's start by holding the power key and selecting power off. Now once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. This will take you to the boot mode. So from here, using only volume up, you want to scroll through the menu. That is assuming you aren't already selecting the recovery mode option. So you can quickly check it by just simply tapping on it and seeing it pop right to the top. And once it's selected, the first option, press volume down to confirm it. And from here you will see Android with no command, or in this case it's in Russian, so normally I believe it should be in English, so let's just assume that it is. So to get past this, once you see this little Android logo, hold power key and press volume up once, and this will take you to the recovery mode. And from here you can actually now use both of the volume keys to navigate, and you want to select wipe data factory reset. Now once it's selected, confirm it again with the power key, select yes, and as you can see, formatting data, next thing, data wipe complete. So once you see this at the bottom, reboot system now should be selected by default, so all you really need to do is press power key once more to simply reboot the device. Now this will continue hard reset of the device in the background, so it will take it a little bit longer to turn back on. Just be patient, but once it's finished, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.